Hello guys, this is Selva from ViewZone and today I come back with a blockbuster software review that is Client Finder Review. As name define a software that help in finding a client for your business.
Are you struggling with getting clients? You're not alone. Starting a business is not a difficult thing to do, but growing the business can become hard over time. Reason being that you need to have regular cash flow. One of the biggest causes of failure in fast growing businesses is failure of cash flow. Sometimes that exciting escalation of sales overtakes your ability to finance it. This is really tough because you have become a victim of your own success. Plan carefully for growth, and particularly ensure that you have solid sources of funding to underpin your expansion before it happens. At least if you overplan, and sales don't soar to the degree you plan for, you won't be financially embarrassed. And the only way to have a regular cash flow is to have clients that will pay for your products or services. What is Client Finder? Breakthrough app automatically finds laser-targeted buyer leads in any niche using AI-assisted deep search in just 45 seconds flat without you do anything. All it requires from you is answering few questions. Client Finder will then use that information combined with artificial intelligence (AI), natural language processing (NLP), and machine learning (milliliter) to carry out a deep search for quality buyer leads. Client Finder's AI engine instantly begins searching through billions of listings across hundreds of sites, locating prospects who match your targeted criteria immediately after asking these few simple qualifying questions. How does Client Finder works? In 3 dead simple steps you can set up Client Finder to work for you. Step 1. Enter your target audience filters. Location, niche, social media presence, online reviews, etc. Step 2. View businesses that are most likely to buy your services. Results powered by AI, NLP and ML, ensuring 0.99.99% accuracy. Step 3. Contact the clients that are most likely to buy your services so you don't waste resources on dead leads.
These are the details about Client Finder launch information.
Why you must try Client Finder. Probably the greatest reason for disappointment is quickly developing organizations is the point at which they run out of cash. At times, thrilling heightening in deals overwhelms your capacity to fund it, and this can be truly extreme since you have become your own survivor achievement. The best way to stay aware of ordinary income is by having customers who will pay for items or administrations on schedule. Getting quality clients turns into horrendous cerebral pain during these occasions. Quality customers are difficult to find for any business visionary hoping to assemble their business. Be that as it may, dread not. There is one way you can get every one of the leads you need in only minutes. With this application that utilizes AI helped profound pursuit and discovers them from any place on the web. It gets your designated purchaser contacts surprisingly fast level, so there's not any more sticking around or with nothing to do attempting unlimited techniques that don't function also any longer since they're obsolete now at any rate. Consequently, discover purchases for your item or administration with no exploration. Save time by allowing Client Finder to do the exploration to discover significant leads. Use the genuine AI which will assist you with getting laser designated leads. Discloses to you offering right support of the right lead. Client Finder benefits. Client Finder is powered by AI, natural language processing. Our advanced algorithm helps you to find and pre-qualify only those leads that are most likely to need and buy your services. Mass appeal solution. Lead generation is your business lifeline. All your subscribers need Client Finder to close laser targeted buyer leads to stay in business. Client Finder helps you to stop trying to sell the wrong services products to the wrong businesses. Boost your conversion and sales simply by contacting only those leads that are most likely to buy from you. Client Finder works in following industries: real estate and realtors, e-commerce, Airbnb listings, car sales, travel and recreation, video games, film and music, virtual shopping and retail, education, video marketing. No matter your audience type, SMM, content marketing, website builder, paid ads, email marketing, SEO, e-commerce, traffic, agency and MMO, etc. This offer is perfect for you because everybody needs buyer leads.
What are the upsells of Client Finder? Number 1, commercial license $37. Number 2, Client Finder Pro Unlimited $67. Number 3, Outreach AI Cold Email Writer $67. Number 4, DFY Digital Marketing Services $97. Number 5, Resellify Plus Client Finder Reseller $197 and $297. Overview of Client Finder. In my last words, if you want to keep your business running without the fear of no clients or running out of cash flow, then Client Finder is your close pal. Hence, on this note, I'll say, Client Finder is a timely solution and I highly recommend it. Without any doubt, I can give it a 5-star review. Anything other than that will be bias. You can go ahead and secure your access. Your investment is safe and wise. Cheers. What next, guys? Buy through my link in description and get free bonus from me.